several remote condition maintenance initiatives in place to allow us to detect potential failures and improve the way we measure wear of safety critical assets, example, the wheel, the pantograph, the overhead lines and the rail. Our pantobot allows us to capture issues with the pantograph while the vehicle is in service, which could cause a rip down of the overhead lines. Our wheel measurement equipment uses a set of lasers to measure the wheel profile, and our tram-mounted equipment measures the wear of the overhead lines and the track. So the pantobot alerts us of potential issues with the pantograph of the vehicles. This can reduce the risk of the overhead line rip downs. The wheel profile equipment allows us to predict wear of the wheel so that intrusive maintenance can be carried out and planned. Moreover, the wheels are automatically checked every 5 days instead of every 2 months, and removes the need of manual measurements. The overhead and track measurement equipment give us data points every 5 millimeters. This allows us to get a better understanding of how our linear assets are wearing and removes the need of manual measurements again. So this innovation can be operated on the whole Keolis tram network. Whilst remote condition monitoring are in their first stages, the results we have seen so far are very encouraging and will only get better over time as we understand the system and make tweaks to the alerts and alarms.